Oh, nice. Nah. Everything we do has a reason behind it. Sometimes we might go back to the workshop, but it has a reasoning behind it. You see? You see? I guess we had forgot some money. That's why we had to go back and go get it, you know?
Nice.
We're on YouTube!
No, wait.
What is it? Look at our setup, 23 spins. Bro, what the fuck was that? Oh my god!
God.
What a setup.
Oh my god!
Payments are fucking gone on this game. Oh my god!
Oh!
Oh
Oh!
shit!
Come on now!
Pay chat.
Give us the lighters there.
Holy shit! Oh, so many
Full line,
premiums
full line,
there.
full line, full line! That's big!
That's
That's
big.
big! That's big! Fucking go!